In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable or enable Windows Defender. With the Windows Defender enabled or turned on your Windows computer, no virus can find its way onto your computer. So with Windows Defender, there is no need for you to install a third-party antivirus. So this is what most people used on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So here, basically, you will learn how to enable Windows Defender on Windows 10 and how to enable Windows Defender on Windows 11. You can also follow this process as well to disable the Windows Defender on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now, to enable Windows Defender on your Windows 11, all you need to do is click on the Start button. Now, click on Settings, or better still, come to this search box and search for Settings. And you see that? You can just click on the Open button. So you just need to open the Settings application on your Windows. Now, once the Settings application opens, scroll down through the left pane and select Privacy and Security. Now, once you selected that, locate Windows Security here and click on that. Now, once you selected Windows Security, wait until this page loads. Now you can see I have my virus and threat protection disabled, account protection disabled, firewall and network protection enabled. Then I also enable Windows Defender against app and browser control, and also device security is turned on my device. Now, to enable Windows Defender on your Windows 11 or Windows computer, all you need to do is click on Open Windows Security. Once you open the Windows Security, you'll be taken to Security at Glance. Then click on this button to turn on the virus and threat protection. Then you should see what that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Go ahead and tap yes to turn on virus and threat protection. Then click on virus and threat protection. Then scroll down, click on turn on, then tap yes. Then you should see no action needed, or click on manage settings, and here under real-time protection, make sure real-time protection is enabled. If it is disabled, just turn on this. And if cloud deliver protection is turned off, make sure this is enabled as well. And automatic sample submission is also enabled, and tamper protection. However, with all these virus and threat protection settings turned on your Windows computer, then you've successfully enabled the Windows Defender on your device. However, to disable Windows Defender on this same computer, all you need to do is go to virus and threat protection, turn off real-time protection, turn off cloud delivery protection, turn off automatic sample protection, and then disable tamper protection. Once this is disabled, come back. Again, come back. On this page, locate firewall and network protection and make sure this is disabled. As you can see, I have the firewall and network protection enabled. Then disable this as well, but this is not advisable to disable. So go ahead and disable that. If you also want to disable app and browser control, click on this. Then make sure you disable this. Lastly, this is device security. This is going to be enabled by default. Now, with all these settings enabled or disabled on your Windows computer, your Windows computer virus protection or Windows Defender will be enabled successfully. So this is how you can easily turn on or turn on Windows Defender on your Windows computer. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.